Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to make the half double crochet loop stitch. There aren't too many tutorials on this stitch, but if you have ever tried the single crochet loop stitch, it's very similar. It just adds a little bit of extra height and it looks like a half double crochet stitch on the back. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial, and the link for this blanket pattern will be available in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. Let's get started. Okay guys, so we've just done two rows of single crochets. So we are going to turn our work. We are going to chain two. So we're going to yarn over like we're making a half double crochet, insert our hook into the stitch. And now this is the tricky part. So we have our yarn, our working yarn here. We are going to basically push back on this working strand with our hook. We're going to turn it around so that it goes underneath this strand, twist, and we've now made a loop on our hook. So what we're going to do is pull it through that stitch. And right now we have, it looks like 4 loops on our hook. So right now I'm going to remove my finger from this loop, okay? And if you want, you guys can hold it in place down here with your middle finger. I usually use this middle finger. And now we are going to yarn over and pull through all 4 loops on our hook to kind of complete that half double crochet. So it looks like a half double crochet on this side, guys, but on the right side, it looks like a loop. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys that a couple more times. We are going to yarn over like we're making a half double crochet, insert our hook into the stitch. We are going to push down on that working strand, pull it around so that it goes underneath this strand, kind of twist our hook, and we've now made our loop around our finger. So we are going to pull and draw up a loop. So we have 4 loops on our hook. We are going to drop the loop on our finger and hold it in place with our middle finger. Now we're going to yarn over and pull through all 4 loops on our hook. Okay guys, one more time. We're going to yarn over, insert our hook into the stitch like we're making a half double crochet, kind of like grab but push down with the back of our hook along this working strand, pull it and twist it around so that it goes underneath this, twist to make a loop, pull it through our stitch so that we've drawn up a loop. Now we are going to remove the loop on our finger, hold it in place with our middle finger, and yarn over and pull through all the loops on our hook. Okay guys, now it's tricky at first, but once you get the hang of it, take your time with it. But yeah, once you get the hang of it, it does go really fast, I promise. When you start going fast, you can use your index finger to remove the loop from your hook. Okay guys, the final loop, it's going to go right into our beginning chain 2. We're going to skip over that last stitch and go into the beginning chain 2 of the previous row and turn our work. So this is what you guys should see on the other side, and you guys can like pet it down a little bit. If you find that one loop is like shorter than the other, you can just give them a tug and they come right down.